If your Firefox browser is starting to feel a little behind, updating it is one of the fastest ways to improve security, stability, and performance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update Firefox in just a few clicks, and it only takes a minute or two. This is a simple process, but it's important because updates can fix bugs, add new features, and keep your browsing experience running smoothly. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Now let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open Firefox's main options. This is where you can access settings, help tools, and other browser features. From the menu, move down and click Help. A new submenu will appear, and from there, click About Firefox. This is the built-in update page that tells Firefox to check whether a newer version is available. You do not need to search the internet or download anything manually for this method. Firefox handles the update process for you. As soon as you click About Firefox, the browser will automatically begin checking for updates. If a newer version is available, Firefox will download it in the background. You may see a progress indicator while the update is being installed. If Firefox is already up to date, it will tell you right away. If an update is found, just let the browser finish downloading it. Once the update is ready, Firefox will prompt you to restart the browser to apply the new version. This restart is what completes the update, so make sure you save anything important before clicking Restart. After Firefox relaunches, the new version will be active and ready to use. And that's it. You've now updated Firefox using the built-in update tool, which is the easiest and safest way to keep your browser current. Staying updated helps protect your device and gives you the best browsing experience possible. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.